My name is Philip and I would like to introduce you to the Little Woodshop. I'm a hobbyist, I'm no professional at any way. I love doing woodwork. I've been doing woodwork for 15 to 20 years. Yes, I'm a slow learner. The lady behind the camera is my wife, my manager. I've been happily managed for 18 years now already. You will sometime meet my daughter Sasha, 13 years old, loves to help out in the workshop. We are at the moment busy with a few projects. We're going to rebuild the workbench. The workbench is very old, the one at the moment. You'll see it still in a few videos, but hopefully by the middle of this year this will be gone. We're also renovating or restoring a very old Mboya, South African Mboya table, dining room table. We are also in the process of converting an old discarded piano into a wine rack, wine bar. That I'm quite looking forward to. It can be an interesting project. There's a few guys I would like to mention in this video that they are my inspiration for what I'm doing now at the moment, and I hope it's going to be a success. With the help of you subscribing, helping me out, this will be a great success. The guys I want to mention: Matt Cremona, very good guy, good at what he does. Mark Spagnolo, I hope I pronounce it correct, sorry Mark. The Wood Whisperer, that guy he's magic. That guy he's got talent that I wish I had. Woodwork for Mere Mortals, Steve Ramsey, gorgeous guy, good content. Samurai Carpenter, excellent guy, very good with hand tools. Anyway, those guys, they're the guys that inspired me to do what I'm doing, or what I'm trying to do. I would love for this to be a success. I would love to add to the content those guys put on the net or on YouTube and give somebody some inspiration, maybe help them to get somewhere with their woodwork, get woodwork going. In South Africa where I'm living, woodwork is almost a dying trade. So we're trying to revive it a little bit and get some life into it. It's a gorgeous hobby, it's a fulfilling hobby. And yes, please subscribe. Thank you very much.